You see, God help only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. The government, whether state or central, is elected. That means we have a responsibility to elect the right kind of leaders. New market could be created by rural potential, which could lead to rise in the employment. Small aim is a crime. Have great aim. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. The purpose of education is to make good human being with skill and expertise. Enlightened human being can be created by teacher. God, our creator, has stored within our mind and personalities great potential, strength, and ability. Prayer helps us tap and develop this power. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. Climbing to the top demand strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. Be more dedicated to making solid achievement than in running after swift but synthetic happiness. Thanks for watching this video.